In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Twitter, now called X feed. Keeping your feed up to date is important if you want to see the latest posts, replies, and news as they happen. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a couple of really simple ways to refresh your X home feed using either your mouse or your keyboard, so you can choose the method that feels most natural for you. First, make sure you're on the X home dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the main X website. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your account, and you should land on your home timeline. This is the page that shows posts from people you follow, recommended posts, and trending content. If you're somewhere else on the site, like your profile or notifications, you can usually get back to the home dashboard by clicking the home option in the main navigation. Once you're on that home dashboard, you can refresh your feed by clicking on the T icon in the top left corner of the page. This icon usually sits in the main navigation bar. When you click it, the page will reload and pull in any new posts published since you last loaded your feed. After clicking, give it a moment to update, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. You'll typically see newer posts appear at the top of your timeline. If you prefer using your keyboard, there's another quick option. While you're on the home dashboard, press Ctrl and R at the same time if you're on Windows or most Linux systems. On a Mac, you can use Command and R, which does the same thing. This is a common browser shortcut for reloading the page, and it works perfectly for refreshing your X feed. Just make sure your browser window is active when you press the keys. You'll see the page reload, and once it finishes, your feed should show the latest content. Both methods do essentially the same thing. They reload the page so you can see new posts. Clicking the X icon can feel more intuitive if you like using your mouse, while the keyboard shortcut is great if you want to refresh quickly without moving your hands away from the keyboard. That's all there is to it. Head to your X home dashboard, then either click the X icon in the top left or use the Ctrl plus R shortcut to refresh and see the newest posts on your feed.